Gradin Machinery Company, Limited, was established in 2013 with a registered capital of $11 million. We are a well-known manufacturer that specializes in providing custom and standard lift solutions to meet a wide range of needs. Our factory boasts a comprehensive range of facilities, including an assembly workshop, a structural workshop, a paint shop, a final product testing ground, hydraulic and electrical laboratories, an R&D center, an administrative center, and staff housing. This extensive infrastructure allows us to uphold the highest standards of manufacturing excellence. Committed to innovation and quality, we have collaborated with multiple domestic machinery institutes and hold more than 60 patents. Our products have received certifications from both domestic and international regulatory bodies, including the Special Equipment Production License, Special Equipment Installation Modification License, ISO 9001, CE ASNZS 1418, CUTR, and KC. Our dedicated sales and service departments are committed to providing unparalleled support to our customers. With a deep understanding of customer needs and extensive expertise in lift solutions, our team is uniquely qualified to offer guidance and assistance every step of the way. At Gradin Machinery Company Limited, we strive to provide superior lift solutions that exceed customer expectations in terms of performance, reliability, and safety. With our wealth of experience and dedication to excellence, we continue to lead the industry, delivering innovative solutions tailored to meet the evolving needs of our global clientele.